Maniraim, good morning, 9th class. Our today's topic is cytokinesis. Okay, cytokinesis is the second phase of mitosis in which cytoplasm divide. Okay, we have discussed karyokinesis in our previous lecture, and we see how cell undergo different changes, and at the end of karyokinesis, cell have two nucleus. Okay, now at the end of the karyokinesis, this is the diagram which shows the last phase of karyokinesis, that is telophase, in which cell now have two nucleus, and now then after that second phase will start, which is the cytokinesis. This diagram shows the cytokinesis, and at the end of cytokinesis, cell have same number of chromosome, and parent cell divided into two daughter cells. Okay, so this is the parent cell. After cytokinesis, two daughter cells are forms which have same number of chromosome. Now how cytokinesis occur? Actually, cytokinesis occur differently in animal cells and plant cells. Okay, in animal cells, cytokinesis occur by a process which is known as cleavage. Okay, actually, this diagram shows the cytokinesis in animal cells. This is animal cells have two nucleus, and now after when cytokinesis start, there is a cleavage forms from the outer side of the cells. Okay, by cleavage, cell will divide itself into two daughter cells. What happened? This cleavage furrow deepen from outside to inside, and then eventually cell will divide it into two daughter cells. So at the end of cytokinesis, cell are divided and they will form two daughter cells. Okay, and that's how cytokinesis occur in animal cells. And now how cytokinesis occur in plant cells? In plant cells, cytokinesis occur differently. Actually, here vesicles which derive from Golgi apparatus move to the middle of the cell. Here Golgi apparatus vesicles will move, and they form a plate or disc-like structure which is known as phragmoplast. These are phragmoplasts, and these are membrane bonded discs. Okay, then what happened? These plates grow from inside to outside. Okay, and then as it grow, more vesicles added to it, and then first plasma membrane divide, and then cell wall is also divide, and at the end of the cytokinesis, plant cell is divided into two daughter cells. So new cells have its own cell wall and plasma membrane. So that's how cytokinesis occur in plant cells, by the formation of phragmoplast. Okay, this process of cytokinesis is different in animal and plant cells. Okay, so this is how after cytokinesis, cell form two daughter cells. Okay, this is mitosis, and that's how cell divided into two daughter cells. Okay, there is a question at the end of this, that nucleus is visible only in interphase while chromosomes are only visible in cell division stage. Why is that? Okay, why this happened? Basically because nuclear membrane breaks during cell division, so there is no distinct nucleus. शुरू में न्यूक्लियस जो है वो फिर आपको पता है उसका न्यूक्लियर एनवेलप ब्रेक हो जाता है ड्यूरिंग एट द स्टार्ट ऑफ द cell division, so no nucleus will appear. and then in interphase nuclear membrane is in the form of chromatin which condense during prophase to get the shape of chromosome. Okay, we have discussed that how chromatin undergo condensation process and then chromosomes are formed. So chromosomes are only visible in prophase phase. Okay, so this is the end of mitosis. Learn it and make MCQs, short questions and practice the diagrams. डायग्राम्स के साथ साथ आपने लर्न करना है, इसकी डायग्राम की प्रैक्टिस करनी है. ये सारी फेसेस जो हैं इसको आप स्टेप बाय स्टेप याद करेंगे और इसको डायग्राम्स के साथ याद करेंगे. ओके, इसके MCQs बनाइए, शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस बनाइए. ओके, अल्लाह हाफिज़ फ्रॉम टुडे.